little bit of a refresher on the inside, you know, the new screen, the new infotainment, a couple of gadgets here and there, but it has mainly stayed the same, and I think that's a testament to how good this car is to begin with. There's just not a whole lot they could do to improve it. That's 300. Oh. AMG took a lot of this hardware, a lot of this know-how from their very successful AMG GT, GT3 and GT4 race cars, and you can actually feel that this car has, you know, some of that hardware and the setup, because it feels more like a race car than it does a supercar, because it is so, it's just so direct and unfiltered that it really makes me want to drive it on a track, like on the Nürburgring or on the Bilsterberg track or on Spa or whatever.